built this windmill. It runs at about 1.5 mile per hour wind. It'll start turning. Basically, dug a hole in the ground, stuck 2 4x4s, stuck another 4x4 on top, drilled a hole, put the 4x4s together, turned it up, drilled the other hole. Stuck a 2x4 here, so when a person raises it up, it doesn't go all the way over. Then you could just lay it down, put the top on, and raise it back up. If we can get the wind to start blowing now. You see the winds are blowing higher up on the trees. There's nothing down here. Got a very long tail, so it furls very easily. As you can see by the blades, they're just made out of PVC pipe. I used a 6-inch pipe on this one for the blades. It has a servo motor, so when it starts turning, it doesn't take very much more speed, and it was producing usable power. It's a 300 RPM 240 volt 3-phase motor. Now this windmill, the power comes through the ground, through a PVC pipe, and you can see the pipe there, up through the floor. Has a 3-phase bridge rectifier. Goes to a capacitor. Capacitor just smooths the voltage out, and it goes into this battery. This is a 450 amp hour battery, and this battery will run the LEDs I have inside for 2 years without being recharged. The battery would naturally die all by itself before the LEDs would kill it. Here's the LED lights we are using to run off the windmill, hooked to the battery outside. They'll back up so it doesn't fade the light out. Power comes in on a cable that goes down the wall to a switch, and it's just a rotary switch. Originally I had it set up for 2 sets of lights inside. Now there's only one. The reason there's only one, unhooked a battery one day using it for a ham radio festival, field day, that's what they call it, ham radio field day, and left the windmill attached to the light and the light on, and it burned the light out because it was too much voltage. So that was the low. It only had 4 bulbs on it. This was the medium, which has all but the 4 bulbs on it, and then the high was all the bulbs turned on. But at nighttime, this is enough to where you can see all the way through the trailer.